For some reason my phone locked up. It's been a week. I've been trying to connect it with iTunes and it didn't work. And finally somehow it worked. I'm gonna show you step by step how it worked. And it's showing me the error, the iPhone is disabled, please connect it with iTunes. And I tried everything, it didn't work. So finally it worked, so I'm gonna show you step by step how it works. So turn off your phone and unplug the cable. It's not turning off. Okay, so unplug your cable, and when you plug it in and hold the home button for like second, hold it for a second, and there will be something gonna pop up. Here it is. So it's saying there's a problem with the iPhone and it needs to be updated. So I'm gonna update it. It's gonna take maybe about 10-15 minutes or more. I don't know, I'm not sure. And it's saying if your iPhones cannot be updated, you'll need to restore it. So okay, I'm gonna update it first and let's see if it doesn't work, then I'm gonna restore it. So click update, there will be a screen pop up and you just say next, and then you agree, and then now your iPhone recovery mode. Maybe you just have to wait like 10-15 or more, I'm not sure. So it's saying restoring iPhone software is downloading. It's gonna take about maybe 4 or 5 minutes. Depends on your internet speed. So I have 5G, so it's not gonna take long. I tried updating it, so it didn't really work. So I'm gonna restore it, and there will be a warning pop up. It's gonna say when you restore it, everything will be erased. So before you do restore, if you wanna restore it, so you just have to know like everything will be erased. So I don't have any important stuff in there, so I don't have to back up or anything, and I don't know how to back up, so I'm just gonna restore it. Phone restore has been completed, so now it's time to check on my phone. You can see it like saying hello, hola. Then you select English and go to next, and then I'm selecting my country, United States, and then quick setup for the Wi-Fi. So I'm just gonna continue next, and then data privacy, continue, touch ID, yeah, continue, and then place your finger where you place it, or you can do it later. No, you have to place it. Then create a passcode, or you can skip, but now I'm gonna create a passcode. I'm just gonna use 1234. So use anyway. 1234. Don't transfer apps and data. Then agree, and continue, continue, continue. Then set up later, then don't share, and choose a view. I'm just gonna use the standard view, and then get started. So get started, and then that's it. My phone is now unlocked. That's how you unlock it.